At Brisbane North PHN, our vision is a community where good health is available to everyone. To help us achieve this, we support general practices in the region to deliver high-performing primary care. We do this through a range of quality improvement initiatives. This quality improvement micro video forms part of a suite of educational videos to provide practice managers, reception staff and practice nurses with tips to implement quality improvement activities in general practice. Welcome to the Brisbane North PHN's Quality Improvement Micro Video Series.
This is the second video in the Welcome to Brisbane North PHN series. In this video, we'll explore some of the programs and services supported by the PHN to help you in caring for our community. If you're opening a new practice in this region or are a new staff member, this video and other videos in this series will provide useful information to assist you in your work. Brisbane North PHN is dedicated to supporting general practice in the North Brisbane, Moreton Bay, parts of the Somerset region and Norfolk Island. We're one of 31 primary health networks across Australia. For more information on the PHN and primary care team, please see our other video, Welcome to Brisbane North PHN, introducing Brisbane North PHN and the primary care team. We have a range of services, websites and programs that aim to support you in caring for your patients. The following information provides a snapshot of these and information about what's available. We welcome you to our region and hope you enjoy this video. Brisbane North PHN acknowledges the traditional custodians of this land, the Turrbal and Yuggera people of Brisbane, the Gubbi Gubbi people of Caboolture and Bribie Island, the Waka Waka people of Kilcoy, and the Ningi Ningi people of Redcliffe. We pay our respects to elders past, present and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions and the culture and hopes of Aboriginal Australia. If you're opening a new general practice in our region or are the new owner of an existing practice, your first contact will most likely be with our Practice Support Coordination Engagement Officer via Practice Support. Our Practice Support Engagement Officer is here to help answer your questions. Email practicesupport@brisbanenorthphn.org.au or phone 07 3490 3495. The Practice Support line operates Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and is available to general practice clinical and administrative staff. The team is here to respond to all general practice support requests by providing resources, information and referral as needed. If you require extended support, we'll connect you with the relevant PHN team member who is experienced in your area of need. We have a dedicated website, practicesupport.org.au, your one-stop shop for primary care and general practice support. The Practice Support online hub contains information and resources on a range of topics, including quality improvement, accreditation, immunisation, digital health, multicultural and refugee health, and Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander health. Our Practice Support website features a simple and streamlined layout, an enhanced search function so you can find the information you're looking for in a single click, an easy-to-navigate practice toolbox of information and resource libraries across all clinical and administrative topics that support the running of your practice, a central site for you to check for clinical alerts and announcements, and a library of relevant training and education. The Practice Support website, our dedicated email and phone line, networking events, and the Practice Link publication aim to further enhance our high-quality support of general practices in our region. Are you receiving our monthly e-newsletter, Practice Link? Practice Link helps you to stay up to date with general practice information and receive access to professional development and training opportunities. To subscribe to this publication and others, visit our website or contact Practice Support at brisbanenorthphn.org.au. Are you looking for more information about services available throughout our region? Service Navigator is a helpline for health professionals for advice and information about health and community services available throughout the region. The service can provide information about allied health and hospital services, community and home support, and government health-related assistance schemes. Our Service Navigator operators are experienced health professionals who understand care coordination, chronic disease management, and the local health system. The Service Navigator helpline does not provide advice on medical conditions, clinical treatment or diagnoses, nor does it provide services in the after-hours period. For more information, contact our Service Navigator on 1800 250 502. The Team Care Coordination Program is a free service for people over the age of 18 with complex and chronic health conditions. It supports people to remain living at home by improving their self-management and quality of life. The service is delivered by a clinical multidisciplinary team who work with clients in their own home via face-to-face in-home visit, telehealth or phone consultation to provide disease, health and community services information, coordinate health, community and social support, and support communication between clients, service providers and health professionals. People are eligible for team care coordination if they have a chronic health condition that is impacting their life, live within the North Brisbane and Moreton Bay region, have a GP that works within the North Brisbane and Moreton Bay region, preferably, and are not living in an aged care facility or receiving comprehensive funding packages. A range of referral options are available. Call our Service Navigation team for more information on 1800 250 502. Your Care Navigator is a collaboratively developed website designed to direct older people, their families and their carers living in the region to services and organisations that can support their needs in healthy living and ageing. To learn more, visit yourcarenavigator.org.au. Head to Health is a national program and a collaborative initiative of primary health networks funded by the Australian Government. It's a free telephone service that provides help to navigate mental health, suicide prevention services, and alcohol and other drug services in the North Brisbane and Moreton Bay region. The Head to Health phone line can be accessed by consumers, their families and carers, as well as GPs, service providers, and other health professionals. When you call the National Head to Health Network number 1800 595 212, free call, you'll be asked to enter your postcode and you'll then be transferred to a Head to Health service navigator based at the Brisbane North PHN. The Head to Health phone line operates 8:30am to 5pm Monday to Friday. Please note that Head to Health is not a crisis or counselling service. If you'd like further information on the National Head to Health initiative, visit headtohealth.gov.au. Head to Health supports general practice by making it easier for GPs and other health professionals to navigate and understand the mental health system, including the capacity to find and refer patients to services, gaining access to service navigation support to understand services available in the region, including eligibility, wait times and costs, providing access to specialist assessment expertise to help identify the appropriate level of mental health care to meet a patient's needs, and offering support in completing referrals to PHN Commission services using the My Mental Health Services e-referral form. The e-referral form is available online via the e-link from the My Mental Health website, or it can be installed into general practice software via the ReadyCase GP integrator. The My Mental Health website is an online resource for consumers, carers, service providers and health professionals. It provides information about services and resources related to mental health, alcohol and other drugs and suicide prevention services in the PHN region. It helps you to find mental health services and community supports, understand the mental health sector, find the My Mental Health Services e-referral form, access the chat function that offers an alternate pathway to speak to a service navigator, search for community and workforce resources, find a register to attend events, such as workshops and forums, get the latest news about services, and register to contribute to news and events. For more information, visit mymentalhealth.org.au. General Practice Liaison Officers, GPLOs, support the partnership between primary care and Metro North Health. GPLOs are medical officers and health professionals with a general practice, private practice background that are dedicated to improving communication, pathways and services between primary care and the hospital system to better patient outcomes. GPLO activities include an ongoing program of GP and health provider education events led by our GPLOs and Metro North Health specialists, practice visits to support the use of integrated systems including the Health Provider Portal, GP referrals and health pathways, working to improve discharge from hospital and clinical handover and enhancing continuity of care, providing primary care advice to key working groups and contributing to the development of pathways of care, statewide referral guidelines and action plans, designing and implementing shared care models, and providing GPs with regular communications through the PHN's weekly e-newsletter, GP Link. For further information about or to engage with the GPLO program, please contact us at mngplo@health.qld.gov.au. Clinicians in the region can access clinical pathways online via Health Pathways. They provide the user with up-to-date, evidence-based point-of-care guidance for the assessment and management of medical conditions, as well as available local services and how to refer to them. These clinical pathways are available in an easy-to-access web and mobile-friendly format. The clinical pathways are integrated with GP Smart Referrals, ensuring faster, streamlined management of referrals within Queensland public hospitals. The Health Pathways website is regularly updated with the addition of new pathways. For clinician access, please email practicesupport@brisbanenorthphn.org.au. The Health Pathways program is a joint project between Brisbane North PHN and Metro North Health. Metro North Health are the largest of 16 hospital and health services that provide public health services in Queensland. They offer a range of services to support the care of patients in our region. The Refer Your Patient website provides information for GPs and health professionals to help refer patients and find services available at Metro North Health for the following services: community health, rapid access, mental health, oral health, sexual health and HIV, alcohol and drug, behavioural emergency response team, and palliative care. There are a range of clinical advice services available to support your patient care. Metro North Virtual Emergency Department offers alternative pathways that can help avoid your patient waiting in a hospital emergency department. The service provides primary healthcare providers with access to specialist emergency medicine advice by telephone or video conferencing. It's a safe, fast and efficient way for you to consult with an emergency physician and use real-time technology to align treatment and ongoing services for your patient. The Metro North Health Clinical Advice Line connects local GPs to specialist advice from hospital and community clinicians. There are two pathways: phone line and written request for advice. The Residential Aged Care District and Referral Service, RADAR, is available for consultation regarding residents from residential aged care facilities, RACFs. RACF staff are encouraged to contact their local RADAR teams 7 days a week within hours. GPs can also search specialist outpatient services and specialist lists, access the Health Provider Portal and Brisbane North Health Pathways, view information about GP Smart Referrals and the GP Liaison Program, and search for education and upcoming events. To access resources from previous GP education events, visit the Metro North Health GP Education Resources webpage. For more information about upcoming GP education, visit the Brisbane North PHN website events page and subscribe to GP Link. You can also access timely communication designed to provide general practices with important priority information via our weekly GP newsletter, GP Link, and other strategic communications. GP Link is a local source of health news for GPs in our region, including clinical updates and information pertaining to PHN programs, pathways, initiatives, events, training, and professional development opportunities. To subscribe, visit our website or contact practice support at brisbanenorthphn.org.au. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about some of the programs and services supported by the PHN to help you in caring for our community. For further information, you can visit these links or view some of our other topics. We hope you've enjoyed this micro video. This is the end of the presentation.
This micro video is supported by funding from Brisbane North PHN through the Australian Government's PHN program.